So today we're going to be talking about the new and upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. And honestly, I can't wait. Legit, I cannot wait. Anyway, before I start the video, please guys, I just want to say, if you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you're alerted when I upload a video, and also don't forget to hit the like button for this video. And yeah, give me some comments down below and tell me if you enjoyed the video or if you have any questions you want to ask me. And yeah, without further ado, let's get straight right into the video. So the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 was a big leap forward compared with the original Galaxy Fold 1, the first ever generation that came out. It turns a concept into a device that users can actually buy and use as a daily driver without even sacrificing much beyond what they actually pay for, which is quite a lot, and it wasn't little at all. But now the Z Fold 2 has been around for quite a while and it's not as exciting anymore. What is exciting, however, is the upcoming successor, which is the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. The third Fold is actually popping up with leaks suggesting that it will bring not only features, refinements of the new class of devices, but some brand new features as well. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 is expected to be released in June or July, and in terms of the pricing, we're expected to sit within the same region as the Galaxy Z Fold 2, which will cost £1,799 for the UK and $1,999 for the US. So if you're after Samsung's next folding flagship, it might be a good time to start saving right now. In terms of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 design, it's going to have a vertical fold, premium build, IP rating, which is questionable, and S Pen capability, which is questionable too. We're expecting the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 to adopt the same book style vertical fold as the original Galaxy Fold and the Galaxy Z Fold 2, reversing the horizontal fold for the Galaxy Z Flip series. We're also expecting to see a hinge offering multiple angles again, like the Z Fold 2 and the Z Fold original do. There of course have been rumors that suggest that the device will be compatible with the S Pen, like the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This could see a slot built in the device like the Note, or it could just mean this S Pen will work if bought separately, just like the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. There's also been rumors that suggest that the device will be compatible with the S Pen, like the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This could mean we could see a slot built in the device, just like the Note series, or it could just mean that the S Pen will be able to work and be compatible with the new Z Fold 3, but just would have to be bought separately, just like we have to with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. There's also been talks with the waterproofing before like the Z Fold 2 arrival, so perhaps we might see an IP rating in the new and upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Otherwise, we would expect a solid build with some refinements over the 2020 models, possibly with a similar rear camera housing of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra range, or the S21 range. For the display, we're expecting an external and internal screen and a 128Hz refresh rate, likely on the internal screen of the device. We'd expect the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 to have a large flexible display inside, as well as an external display when folded, as the previous models have done. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 has a 7.6-inch main display that has a 128Hz refresh rate, coupled with a 6.2-inch internal display. There is also a hole punch on for the camera in the front of the screen, for the internal display. Although there's been a couple of rumors indicating that the Z Fold 3 may have an under display camera, which might allow a larger external display on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. It's also claimed that the main display of the Z Fold 3 will be coming in at 7.55 inch display instead of a 7.59 inch display for the inner, and for the outer display is going to be a 6.21 inch display instead of a 6.23 inches display. And for the hardware and the specs of this device, we're likely to get a Qualcomm Snapdragon 875, 12 gig of RAM, 256 gig of storage, and of course 5G as well. So you best expect flagship hardware under the hood of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. No rumors have suggested of what to expect as in specs wise, but we might see in the Galaxy Z Fold 3, but we expect to see a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, just like with the S21 series, and with alongside a very good amount of RAM, probably at least 12 gig of RAM and at least 256 gig of storage minimum. There's also no word of the battery capacity as of yet, but the Z Fold 2 has a 40500 milliamp hour battery, so we would only expect that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 will have similar battery as that, and possibly maybe even having a larger battery than 4500 milliamp hour battery in the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. And lastly, for the camera on the devices. Cameras have never really been the focus point on the foldable devices, and that's true for the Z Fold 3 as well. So far, there is no information regarding the phone's camera system, but it will almost certainly feature at least 3 cameras, which will be the main camera, the ultra-wide camera, and of course the telephoto lens. It's possible that some of these sensors will get a huge bump up megapixel from the current 12 megapixel sensors on the Z Fold 2, and looking at the Samsung. But if you're looking for a very good camera from Samsung and the best system from Samsung in 2021, then you should be looking at the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 has other priorities and for now, and that is not the camera. Well, at least the camera is not at the top of the list. Anyway guys, that's been everything you need to know for now on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. If I've got any more information, I will be sure to make videos and keep you guys updated as well. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, like I said in the beginning of the video, smash the like button, subscribe, turn on your post notification. It's free and anyone can do it. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.